Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change your currency. Today we're going to see how to delete PayPal business account permanently. First thing first, go to PayPal and log in to your account. Just note that you can't close your account from PayPal mobile app. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the home page to open the settings menu. Now in the Accounts tab, scroll to Account Options, then click Close Your Account. Just a tip, make sure your balance is zero and there are no pending transaction, disputes or unresolved issues before proceeding. If prompt, enter your bank details and click Close Account to permanently delete your PayPal business account. And done, your account is now permanently closed. Any linked data like transactions, contacts or payment history will no longer be accessible. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.